Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to show you how to solve Wi-Fi connection error. So in case Wi-Fi connection doesn't work when you press on any device, even though you enter the correct password, press connect, it will not connect. So what you do is simply go to settings, you can type reset, just reset all settings. This will not delete any data or anything. Just press the reset option. It will take a few minutes and then it will be solved. Thank you.